Welcome to a new video on my channel Exploring the World. My name is Dominik and in today's video we will compare the brand new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro and the GoPro Hero 12. Enjoy! These two action cameras are strong contenders for capturing dynamic outdoor footage, but let's look at their key differences. The GoPro Hero 12 offers 5.3K video resolution, giving it a slight edge in terms of overall pixel count compared to the 4K resolution of the Action 5 Pro. This means the Hero 12 can capture a bit more detail, which might be noticeable when zooming in or editing your footage. However, the Action 5 Pro comes with an updated sensor, which allows for better handling of dynamic range. This means in high contrast scenes, such as sunlight shining through trees, the Action 5 Pro preserves detail in both highlights and shadows, giving you richer, more natural looking footage. When it comes to stabilization, both cameras excel. The Hypersmooth 6.0 on the Hero 12 remains a gold standard for smooth shots, even in extreme conditions. The Action 5 Pro, though, delivers improved low light performance with its Super Night mode, making it a better choice for shooting in darker environments, outperforming GoPro's Night Effect mode in many scenarios. In terms of color accuracy, the GoPro Hero 12 generally delivers more natural skin tones, while some early footage from the Action 5 Pro has shown a slightly red tint on skin tones, something I hope DJI will fine-tune with a future firmware update. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is equipped with a 1770 mAh battery, which offers up to 160 minutes of continuous recording at 4K 30 frames per second in ideal conditions. The new battery design also supports fast charging, allowing you to recharge up to 80% in just 18 minutes, making it highly convenient for on-the-go filming. On the other hand, the GoPro Hero 12 uses a 1720 mAh Enduro battery. While slightly smaller in capacity, it delivers up to 70 minutes of continuous recording at 5.3K per 60 frames per second, or about 90 to 100 minutes at 4K per 30 frames per second. So while both batteries are quite comparable in size, the Action 5 Pro offers slightly longer recording times at 4K, especially if you're filming for extended periods without breaks. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one.